tomorrow.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Andy, and this is the Razor Rinser.
With the Razor Rinser, you can efficiently unclog and clean your razor, keep your sink clean and clog-free, shave with way less water, and shave anywhere.
The Razor Rinser shoots jets of water between your razor blade to dislodge the hair and shaving cream.
Andy and I spent months together at sea and oceans all over the world, doing an intense job that required us to shave every day. We ran into a few issues. Our sink was a mess, shaving took forever with weak water pressure, and we threw away way too many clogged, dull razors.
Being at sea intensified our issues with shaving, but we realized that clogged razors, messy sinks, and wasted water are problems faced by every shaver. If we could make shaving on a ship better, we'd have a product that everyone would appreciate. So, we got to work designing and building the Razor Rinser. Your sink washes water over your razor, but our spray pattern forces water between the blades to actually get them clean. You generate the power of the jets as you push down with your razor. The water then flows back into the dish and gets recycled through filters to keep clean water blasting between your blades. Because the Razor Rinser recycles, you can shave with just 4 ounces of water. When you're done shaving, all the hair and shaving cream is contained to the dish, so you can just dump it in the toilet.
Our goal is to raise $10,000 to jumpstart production. We've partnered with an experienced manufacturer to produce a razor rinser at scale.
As veterans, we're lucky to be in the position to start a business as we leave the service. So, we've partnered with Veterans Affairs endorsed outreach centers to provide 200 of the first 2,000 razor rinsers to those without regular access to water while shaving. We feel that everyone deserves the dignity of a clean shave.
Andy and I have been blown away by the early support we've received. So, if you're interested in the razor rinser, back our project.
This is just the start of our mission to make shaving easier, cleaner, and less wasteful, no matter where or how you shave.